Good speed of AutoCAD software will achieved by only a adequate PC. If you don't have much better PC, still we can improve AutoCAD performance by some settings. I will show you those settings. Please stay with me till the end. I will explain the settings in two parts, AutoCAD settings and Windows settings. Now I will open a new CAD drawing here. First I will turn off selection preview. Just I will create one rectangle here. When you take your cursor on the object, it will highlight the object like this. It will give a jerky movement of the cursor. Just type selection preview and click enter. Here change the value to 0. Now I will take the cursor on the object. It is not highlighted now. Next one is selection highlight. When you select the object, it will highlight the object like this. It will consume more graphics memory. Type highlight and click enter. Here change the value to 0 to turn off selection highlight. Now the object is not highlighting. Each time when you select the object, the quick properties palette will pop up on the screen. It is not necessary on each selection. It is required when we are changing the properties of the selected object. Type QP mode and click enter. Here change the value to 0. Now that palette is not visible on each selection. If you want that palette, select the object, right click, here select quick properties. Now the quick properties palette will pop up on the screen. Next one is regenerate. When you zoom or pan the drawing and while switching the window, the software will automatically regenerate the object in the workspace. It is not always required. Type regen mode and click enter. Here change the value to 0. Now auto regeneration is turned off. If you want to regenerate the object, directly use regenerate command. Type RE and click enter. Now the objects in the workspace is regenerated. Next go to option, use OP as a shortcut. In this option window, go to open and save tab. Here go to thumbnail preview settings, uncheck this and also uncheck this, and here set this slider to minimum value of the pixel and click OK. Then here change this value to 70 or 80. It is an incremental save percentage. Next one is automatic save time. If you want, you can change it to 30 minutes or 15 minutes. I will keep it as 10 only. Next go to system. Here go to graphics. In effect setting, keep this on. That means hardware acceleration should be on. Next one is 2D display settings. Here you can keep basic mode. I am keeping advanced only. In 3D display settings, I will uncheck these and I will click on OK. Now I will go to selection. Here these two already we are turned off. I will uncheck these two also. Here uncheck this, then click on apply and click on OK. Then minimize the AutoCAD window. Now I show you how to update the hotfixes for the software. When we are installing AutoCAD software, Autodesk desktop app will install automatically. Open that from your desktop. Click on AutoCAD software. Here you will find some updates. Autodesk will continuously release the hotfixes and updates for their software to fix the software bugs and the problems in the software. Keep updating the software, it will give us a better performance of the software. So finish the update and restart the PC. These are some settings we can do in AutoCAD to get a better speed of the software. Now I will show you some of the Windows settings to improve the CAD performance. Go to Start menu, search for Control Panel. Here change the category to small icons and go to System. Here go to advanced settings. Then here go to advanced and click on settings. Here select adjust for best performance. This option will set our PC for the better performance and it will avoid all the animations. If you want any special animations, read this and check this box to add the animation back and click on apply and then click on OK, close. Next one, keep your graphics driver up to date. Go to start menu. Here search for device manager. Here go to display adapters. Select your graphics card, right click on that and select update driver. Here select search automatically. It will search the drivers online which is suitable for your graphics card. If you have any pending updates, it will show here. Just install that. I have already installed every updates. Just I'll click on close. Finish all the updates and click close. Next one, please update your Windows continuously. Go to start menu. Click on settings. Here click on update and security. Click here to check for new updates. Wait for some time to download and install the updates and close the window. Next one, I will show you how to set up Priority of Autocad software. Press Ctrl or Delete. Now you will get one blue window. There you select Task Manager. Expand AutoCAD software. Select the software and right click. Go to Details. Right click on acad.exe. Set the priority to real time. This we have to set each time when you open AutoCAD software. In the same way, for these 6 also we need to set up priority. We set the priority for this and click on close. That's all I know about this topic. If you have any suggestions, please write in the comment box.
Thank you for watching till the end. Still you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to click on bell icon to get the best information about AutoCAD. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.